Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on HUAWEI Nova 11 Pro. To do this, we'll need to open an app gallery. Now inside, find Firefox. Here, click on Get, and sadly we can't get it from the app gallery, and here it will transfer us to the GitHub page where you can get Mozilla Mobile Firefox. Now we want to download the version with HUAWEI, or however it's pronounced, and click on it right like that. It will download the app file. Then allow the browser to install apps and install this Firefox. When it's ready, click on the open. Here we can customize Firefox with different theme, toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, change between different privacy protection settings, read the privacy notice, and lastly, click on start browsing, open any web page, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.